Hello everyone. In this video we will be learning about rank of matrix, how to find rank of matrix by PAQ form method. इसके पहले हमने रैंक ऑफ मैट्रिक्स निकाली थी जो मेथड हमने यूज़ किया था बाय नॉर्मलाइजेशन. दैट मेथड वी हैव लर्नड. यहाँ पे भी हमें उसी तरह से करना है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. दिस मेथड इज़ PAQ मेथड. Let's start with it and see what it is. So first of all we will say normal. By PAQ method we will be using for normalization of matrix. So what is its definition is, if A is any matrix, then there exist non-singular matrices P and Q such that this is what the form they have given it. That's a definition. This is A is any singular any matrix. If any non-singular matrix is there, if there is any A is any given matrix, then this way if you apply any transformation on it, finally you will come to this point where it is like a normal form. At that point whatever you will be getting the matrix on the right hand side, that will be P and Q. First of all we will see what are the steps which are involved in it, so it will be very clear for you what is PAQ form. So this is the flow chart or the steps which I have put it over here. In the first step, definitely the given matrix it will be there, and that we will be writing as it is. Now in the next step what you will be writing, remember we have to find what the definition says, that if the given matrix is there, then there exists non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix means the square matrix whose determinant's value is not 0. So in once you normalize it, the given matrix, then the same point you will be getting some two matrices you will be getting which are non-singular. How to find it, that's we will be looking over here. So यहाँ पे जो भी matrix दिया है उसको as it is रखना है. Then what you will be writing here, A is equal to I into A into I. What is I? I is nothing but the identity diagonal matrix we will be considering. This is one diagonal matrix and this is one diagonal matrix, and in between A is there, because as the name says it's a PAQ. So from the name itself is clear, this in between जो है P और Q के बीच में जो A है, A is nothing but the given matrix. तो उसको रखना है. P and Q we have to find it. So कैसे find out करना है? First of all we have to take diagonal matrix for that. So यहाँ पे that's the reason we are taking this diagonal matrix over here. A जैसे है बीच में वैसा ही रहेगा, जो कि given matrix है वो as it is यहाँ पे रखना है. Then Q also we have to find it. Right now we don't know what is Q. So first of all we will be taking identity matrix. For that we are taken this I. Hopefully this is clear from why we are taking this I. So we have to, A is nothing but the given matrix जो कि बीच में है. P जो निकालना है उसके लिए एक I है जो which is on the left hand side of the A, और जो right hand side of the A है जो कि ये है उसके वो that diagonal matrix has been taken to find out the Q. So now let's move ahead for the next step. Substitute the value of matrix A and unit matrix as I. मतलब यहाँ पे जो इक्वेशन हमने लिखा है A is equal to I, इसमें हम वैल्यूज़ लिखेंगे. सब यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ इक्वेशन लिखा है. यहाँ पे इस स्टेप में हम वैल्यूज़ एक्चुअली जो डिटरमिनेंट एज एक्चुअल वैल्यू ऑफ द डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स एंड एक्चुअल वैल्यू ऑफ द given A matrix which is in the equation, that we will be writing it over there. After that we will start applying the transformations. So this will be our next step. यहाँ पे जब हम आएंगे उस वक्त हम लगाएंगे उसके ऊपर transformations. So elementary transformations we will be applying over there on A matrix. A के ऊपर हम लगाएंगे elementary row transformation. वहाँ पे हम रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लगा सकते हैं, कॉलम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लगा सकते हैं. कौन से? यहाँ पे जो हम लगाएंगे. सो दिस साइड वहाँ पे हम लगाएंगे एनी रो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, कॉलम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. लेकिन जब हम एट द सेम टाइम व्हाट वी कैन डू इट, the same row transformation which we will be applying over here on the A matrix. क्यों लगाएंगे? क्योंकि हमें उसे normal form में convert करना है. On the left hand side A जो given matrix है उसको हम normal form में convert करना है. For that we are applying it. The same transformation we will be applying it over here on this diagonal matrix as well. लेकिन एक बात आपको important बात जो है ये यहाँ पे याद रखनी है, जो row transformation which we will be applying on this A matrix, that you will be applying on this identity matrix जो कि equal to sign के close है, adjacent है, उसके ऊपर row transformation लगाएंगे. A column transformation will not be applied on that. So whatever column transformation you will be applying on this A matrix to convert into normal form, सिर्फ column transformation जो लगेंगे वो इस diagonal matrix पे लगेंगे जो कि last में हमने लिखा है. So that you have to remember. इसके ऊपर सारे row लगेंगे transformation, इसके ऊपर सारे column transformations लगेंगे. That is the important thing which you have to remember. So ऐसे अगर we keep going on applying the transformation on the A matrix so that it should get converted into normal form. The moment we will get converted that into normal form, उसी step में हमें हमारा P and Q मिल जाएगा, because we are applying transformation here as well. Same transformation we are applying it here. So ultimately this diagonal matrix will change into some matrix. Some उसके values वहाँ पे diagonal वैसे ही नहीं रहेगा, वो उसके value change होगी, and those will get converted into singular matrices. So whenever at the step, यहाँ पे इसलिए मैंने final step यहाँ पे लिखी है, finally matrix A will get normalized on LHS left hand side पे, and on the same step matrices P and Q can be obtained. क्योंकि corresponding जो identity matrix हमने ले ली है, same time they will also get changed into some singular matrix, and those are nothing but the P and Q matrices. यहाँ पे अगर आपको ये clear नहीं हुआ है, तो when we will solve the question it will be clear to you, but the steps which are there, those are quite straightforward. Given matrix रहेगा, उसको सिर्फ यहाँ पे आपको इक्वेशन जो है, फर्स्ट आई रोट इट, आई ए इज इक्वल टू आई इंटू ए इंटू आई, वो सिर्फ आपको याद रखना है. उसको याद रखने की एज सच ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि गिवन नाम ही उसका मेथड का है PAQ, और P और Q इस मैट्रिक्स निकालने हैं, तो P और Q तो दिया हुआ नहीं है. So we have to start with identity matrix, taking diagonal matrix हमें लेना होगा वहाँ पे. So obviously that is nothing but I हमें लेना होगा. So I don't think as such it's required to remember. It's logically only you should be able to understand. तो आपको वो वैल्यू वहाँ पे starting point पे कुछ वैल्यू लेनी होगी. So that is nothing but your diagonal matrix, और उसको ऑपरेट करते चले जाएंगे. जो भी ऑपरेशंस हम गिवन मैट्रिक्स को नॉर्मलाइज करने के लिए लगाएंगे, वही ऑपरेशंस इनके ऊपर लगाएंगे, एंड फाइनली द गिवन मैट्रिक्स विल बिकम नॉर्मलाइज. दैट टाइम यू विल गेट दिस आइडेंटिटी जो आई है वो ऑब्वियसली विल गेट इनटू सम अदर मैट्रिसेस, एंड दोज आर नथिंग बट P and Q. So far we have learned the concept. Now in the next video we will be solving university based questions.